Hey, what's up guys? Wade here, and I want to give you a quick look at the Glide Gear TMP teleprompter. It's pretty mobile, it's pretty easy to set up, and I just put it on a standard tripod, and it also actually comes with this nice little Glide Gear case that you can just put it up and put it in when you're done. But best part about it is it does use an iPad or an iPhone. Right now I have an iPad in there, and I'm actually using an app called Prompter Duo. I'll put a link in the description for you just so you can take a look. It's a free app. It's really, really easy, but as you can see, I can actually scroll on this script, click play for the person reading from it, and they can, if this is their view, they can actually see exactly the script rolling down. So when they're reading from it, they just looks like they're looking directly into the camera and reading the script. I haven't noticed anything where it looks weird or where they're looking from the side, but it's definitely a great little setup. I use a Canon 5D Mark III on it. I haven't set it up with a camcorder yet or anything, so I can't attest to that, but with the DSLR it works awesomely. So let me know if you guys have any questions, and thanks for watching.